There's a very big accident here at Trathui and Jane. Merong isang truck na nabangga niya itong mga sasakyan na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And nakatakot because we were just here. We got off at this station and it's just few minutes. We could have been here. Tapos gumanito yung truck, gumanon siya. Tapos doon parang gumigewang-gewang pa siya. And from here, hindi ko na matanaw kung nasan yung truck. Saan siya napunta? Which one started? Is that truck?
I have no idea. I just came here, but
Yeah.
some of these guys.
Because I saw...
That one, according to them, that guy was driving like a drunk.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And then he hit this one, right?
We've been hitting now.
Yeah.
All of those ones.
I saw the truck and then these cars were hit and then he took like that and he...
Oh, so he hit all of them.
Yeah. Oh my... So he turned left and he continued hitting.
And then hitting this one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it turned.
Oh my God.
This is what I saw.
Yeah.
Sabi nila, yung truck driver daw was like driving like crazy. So, etong mga to yung hinit niya. Grabe. Dito lang kami bumaba kanina and we could have been like hindi na ako makapag-English. Naubusan ako na English. So kung inabot kami dyan, grabe. Oh my God. Such terrible accident. Grabe talaga yung truck. Ayan yung mga polis. Luckily, wala naman ako nakitang mga dugo-dugo. I hope yung driver nito. Saka yung driver niyan. Sino? Itong babae?
Shirt, stripes na polo shirt.
Oh.
Siya yung dito.
Oh my God. Siya yung unang nabunggo kasi siya yung ganun bumalikwas eh. Teka, marites muna tayo. Eto na, dumadating na yung mga pulis. Oh my God, padaanin nyo. Grabe talaga. Oh my God. Ayop.
Kasi yung gas tank yata. Nakagas yan. May leak eh.
Oh my God. Lumayo na tayo dito. There was a truck driver that hit all these cars. He was I think from here, and then he turned left and hit some more that side, I guess. I don't know. He could be in that side. Denison.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Siyempre, hindi na tayo pupunta doon sa Denison kasi ayaw natin makita yung grabe talaga. Oh my God.
Dalawa ang
Nakakatakot. Imaginein
Pero
mo.
hindi ko alam kung ba't yung kotse na yon nandun,
Hindi, siya yung pinakaunang tinamaan eh. Unang impact, so siya yung na ano, siya yung nag-U-turn. Grabe. Oh my God, hindi pa ako nakakita ng ganun kalaking aksidente. Buti na lang, hindi tayo dun tumawid. Oh my God, in hindsight, sinave tayo ng mga kalapati na yon. Kasi iniiwasan ko yung mga kalapati dahil lagi akong naiiputan twice na. So iniwasan namin yung kalapati, kaya hindi kami tumawid dun sa doon sa intersection na yun. Tumawid kami doon. Thank God. So from now on, nagpapasalamat na tayo sa mga kalapati. Sinave ating buhay.